Hello and a very warm welcome back to Fox's Weight Watcher Kitchen. I'm Johnny Fox and today's video going to run you through some Indian spices. The reason we're doing it, some of the foods that I'll be doing going forward will incorporate a mixed blended spice of Indian spices. So I thought today, so that you've got the link on the videos, I can go link that one above like they do on all these sort of videos. Then you've got the mixed spice blended video. So how do we do it first? Firstly, the brand name. I'm lucky, I've got a local Asian shop. I use a brand name called TRS. Comes in plastic packaging, and then all I do is put it in my little handy dandy box of Indian spices because I cook quite a lot of Indian food. So different spices to make up one blend of spices, similar to Garam Masala. Everyone buys the Garam Masala. There's a lot of blends in that as well, but to make your own Garam Masala is sometimes hard. Same as mixed spice, but this is even easier. It's going to be powdered version. A lot of people do seeds, get the pestle and mortar and crush them down as well. You don't need to do that if you're just making a blend of your own spices. So let's run you through quickly some of the spices that we use. I use a mild Madras. I'm not really a lover of things that are really hot on the tongue, you know, like your vindaloo, your fowl curries, the ones that are super hot, not to my palate, so I tend to use a mild one. So firstly, I use a mild Madras. How much do I use? I use about 4 of these teaspoons. There's the size of it. Drop it into the pot. 4 teaspoons full of mild Madras. That is the base of my mixed blend. Secondly, the 3 famous ones, cumin, turmeric and coriander. I use 3 teaspoons full of those. So 1, 2, 3 of that one, 1 and 2 and 3 of that one, 1 and 2 and 3 of the coriander. Now here's the bit where if you like hot Indian food, even to make your own blend of spices, you can use pure chili powder. Personally, like I said before, I don't like things too hot, so I tend to use on mine paprika. It's still a chili, but it's the mildest version of chili you can get. So I put 2 of the paprikas in my mix and then just 1 of the standard. I use Kashmir chili as well, so it's not as hot. 1 of the chili powder, and to finish it up, to get the incorporated blend of all of the spices that you make from a Garam Masala, I take about 1.5 spoonfuls of the Garam Masala just to mix that up. And as you can see in the pot, it's just a nice little blend. It looks a bit rainbow coloured to start with, and once you've got all those spices together, you want to give them a good mix up. So give it a good shake first, and then once you've got all those spices mixed together, you're ready to cook your own dishes. When I'm doing some of my things like lentil dal, onion bhaji, sagaloo, side dishes and things like that, you'll be hearing me refer to this mixed blend of spice. This is all it is. It's the whole set of spices mixed together. So when I'm saying you add 2 teaspoons full of mixed spice blend, you know exactly what we're talking for. Just taking the pot off, oh, the smell of that just reminds you of an Indian dinner anyway. So this is a really good complement to a lot of dishes that I do. Hopefully you're going to enjoy the video. Hopefully you're going to enjoy the spices. Give it a go, knock some up. Next time you try to mix up your own curry, try it with a blend of your own mixed spices the same as mine. Don't forget, mix them all up. This is the important bit. Make sure they're very well blended all together. And if you do like it, leave some comments on below. Leave it in the bar below. If you like the videos that I'm doing as well, the food that's coming up as well, even little hints like this to make your own blend of spices, let me know. Leave it in the comments. If you like the channel, don't forget to click on that subscribe button as well. Till we do it again, have a good day, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Bye.